Oh, you are getting this thing from a?
From NMDC. We have the long-term contract with NMDC to supply about 2.5 million tons per annum.
NMDC which plant?
Chhattisgarh,
Bailagila,
from Bailagila mines up to Vizag, comes by rake. Then the Kandahar port is telling they are not the facility which we have created for loading the ship and then travel up to this.
Okay, I know. You
after
get it
unloading
from
manually, we are shifting through tippers. It comes to this shed.
Okay.
Almost 2 lakh tons we can store here, sir. From here,
How many tipper moves actually from there to here?
daily almost 18,000 tons we will be shifting, sir. That each truck around 30 tons, 25 to 30 tons. Then from here through conveyors it comes to our ball mill where we do the grinding. Then we have got filtration. So after filtration, that iron ore concentrate is stored in this shed number 1.
Okay.
This is also 2 lakh ton capacity. So this iron ore concentrate we are taking to pellet plant.
Iron concentrate, how much it would be?
That will be very fine powder.
That concentration ratio proportion.
Around 63% Fe will be
63
there.
to 64%.
When you would have got that thing, how much it would have been?
It will be same, sir.
There is no upgradation takes place. As received,
Size,
size.
size only we are grinding to finer size.
Okay.
So this iron ore concentrate we are taking to pellet plant.
Okay.
In pellet plant we have got mixers where it is ground mixed with lime and coal powder and bentonite powder. Then that mixed material comes to balling building where the actual pellets are formed. We require 9 to 16 mm around 90%. So we have got roller screens for screening undersize and oversize that goes as a recycle. Only correct size pellets it come to our engraving machine.
Okay.
This is the main.
What is the correct size of
9 to 16 mm.
9 mm to 16.
9 mm to 16 mm. So here it is subjected up to 1320 degree.
Why we are choosing only that size pellet?
That is for feeding to blast furnace or sponge iron plants. Lumps they will be adding, sir. Whatever voids are there to fill up that this pellets are added.
Product mix. We have the iron ore lumps directly received from the mines. It is 10 to 40 mm size. When they feed into the blast furnace, there will be formation because lumps are irregular shape. There is no definite shape for them. When you feed in the voids in the ground, this pellet will have a different shape, 96, which will not sit in between exactly so that the heat is utilized instead of escape.
So same amount of input we get more output. Yeah. After this furnace, it comes to our pellet stockyard.
Okay.
From here through the reclaimer, we are directly loading to the ship. Almost 5,000 tons per hour we can load.
This is the conveyor.
Through the conveyor it comes.
This time ship will turn towards Middle East.
Yes, whatever coming is going to Middle East.
How much?
We are reclaimers rolling onto the conveyor. The travel then go to the ship.
Directly we are loading. This is automatic loading.
It's all mechanized systems.
Okay, your work is also done.
Yeah.
Both.
That is iron ore fine. Whatever it is, through conveyor it comes to the ball mill.
Where is the first step is being done?
Yes, sir.
Iron ore is
Yeah, iron ore fine is coming here. Then after screening it comes to the ball mill through conveyor. After grinding it goes to the agitator tank. Then from here slurry comes to the filter. Here it gets filtered, water is removed. That iron ore concentrate is taken to the pellet plant. This bin is for iron ore concentrate. This is lime plus coal. This is bentonite. So all three material comes to the mixer. It gets mixed. Then the mixed material comes to the pelletizing bin. Here pellets are formed. Then screen we are removing undersize oversize. Then correct size it comes to the furnace. So the furnace it gets hardened. It goes to the yard. From yard it is loaded to the ship.
Also the heating, it takes around 250
Okay, as you said actually that the input what we are getting from the mines and the final the pellets, the concentration would not change.
No,
Only size.
Okay, and only size
Only size.
actually will be making it.
We can make it 10 mm size.
And then what exactly they will do with these pellets? They will again put it in a furnace,
Furnace for
the
steel
gas,
making.
and they will concentrate actually.
Furnaces are getting hot metal.
Oh, okay. And why are we not, in the sense like, how that financial this thing matters actually, if at all if we give it to our steel industries here. I know they are like already very well fed with the captive mines and other things.
The idea is something
That's anyhow, we'll not discuss. I know that's a hurting point for all of you. No, I'm just interested actually. Maybe I think, did we ever think of having our own steel industry or something? At least
We have put up our blast furnace unit.
I know, I got to know about it. I think like last 2 years only it has happened. But something actually, some sort of expansion or something has happened in that.
Now it is going on.
No, because we have created an empire in Korangal. The steel industry is like, I have seen how it was in the 96 and how they have flourished.
As a great personality, the Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada District, Dr. K.V. Rajendra, IAS. We are extremely humbled for his presence at KIOCL. Welcome you, sir. KIOCL, completing to portray the service and edition activities at KIOCL. I request our officer training Kalpita to present this presentation.
KIOCL Limited, formerly known as Kudremukh Iron Ore Company Limited, a Navratna company under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, was established in 1976 at Kudremukh, Karnataka, to mine and beneficiate iron ore for export. Today, it is considered a benchmark in the mining, beneficiation, and iron oxide pelletization industry. KIOCL's profitability, technology prowess, human resource practices, capacity utilization, export initiatives, and achievements have been awarded frequently at the highest level of industry and government. KIOCL's Mangaluru plant commenced operations in 1987 and has been striving for a better world for 35 years now and continues to do so every day. Despite being a business entity, KIOCL is and always has been a responsible corporate citizen that is deeply committed to nation building through the sustainable socio-economic development of its surrounding communities in myriad ways. KIOCL has actively involved itself in inclusive community development through novel initiatives in education, healthcare, rural development, local amenities for communities, food security, research and development support. In early 2020, the coronavirus spread through India for the first time, causing anxiety and pain in society. KIOCL responded with alacrity to the emergency. It undertook several measures to combat the pandemic in its campuses, among its employees and their families, and society at large. Included precautions within and outside its manufacturing plant, healthcare support for employees and surrounding communities, and vaccination drives. Indeed, KIOCL was the first public sector to administer the COVID-19 vaccination booster dose to its employees and their families. KIOCL also undertook awareness and information campaigns to prevent the spread of the disease, distributed masks, sanitizers, and grocery to the needy, donated oxygen plants, ventilators and hospital beds, and an ambulance to the district administration, and took corporate social responsibility to an entirely new level that set a benchmark for industry. KIOCL took the Prime Minister's call for a Swachh Bharat to heart and immediately established a Swachh Bharat committee to oversee the program and took up several activities in right earnest to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of a clean and hygienic India. These activities covered its own factories, townships, and surroundings in which both its direct and indirect employees participated wholeheartedly and made the program a grand success. KIOC's Swachh mission has also been extended to schools to imbibe the core vision of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan said, "He that plants trees loves others besides himself." KIOC was set up for the development of the nation, but in its quest to meet its business objectives, it has never forgotten to care for society or for the environment. And so, it has planted trees everywhere it is present. Around 7.5 million saplings in and around the mining area, its factories and surroundings, including on the roadside, at schools, and has even conducted special tree planting drives to sustain the ecology. Today, under the urban forestation scheme, it contributes to the Miyawaki forests, the new urban green spaces in Mangaluru city. It has proved to the world that the road to development need not be paved with ecological disaster. It showed the way and inspired others to follow. KIOCM believes that sport, any sport, fosters 3 C's: character, community, and country. It creates citizens with character, strengthens community bonds, and inculcates the spirit of patriotism when one represents the country or sees it winning a medal or a trophy at an international tournament. Chess may be an indoor sport, but it is a sport nonetheless. According to Blaise Pascal, chess is the gymnasium of the mind. In order to promote the sport and its benefits, KIOCL has organized 4 All India chess tournaments which have seen more than 100 participants from across the spectrum of the society. Cash prizes and attractive trophies and certificates have grown the participation year on year. The Kudremukh Trophy, an All India Open FIDE rating chess tournament, has now become a premier chess event on the chess calendar of India. Yoga, the ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India, is now an internationally recognized and celebrated means of attaining and sustaining wellness through the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Even as India takes pride in promoting yoga at the international level, KIOCL has made it a way of life. Yoga Day is celebrated with diligence and enthusiasm every year. And more importantly, it is now a daily practice at KIOCM, with daily sessions conducted at its townships. 12th March 2021 started a 75-week celebration countdown to our nation's 75th anniversary of independence, aptly called Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. KIOCM, in the true spirit of the Prime Minister's call for Atmanirbharta on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, had refocused its efforts on its capacity utilization, localization, and earning foreign exchange for the development of the country by expanding its green manufacturing activities in the mining, beneficiation, and iron oxide pelletization industry. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. My warm greetings to one and all on this significant occasion of celebrating our Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. I know we are still with the patriotic seal of 76th Independence Day, which was vibrantly celebrated at our KOCL ground. Entering the spirit of patriotism and on the successful completion of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, I am indeed honored to be bonded for the celestial completion of welcoming one and all. It is a privilege to deliver my warm-hearted welcome to the shimmering persons on the dais today. A simple veteran with the proficiency and competency of a strong foresight towards a foreign mission, Dr. Rajendra K.V. IAS, the Deputy Commissioner of ದ.ಕ.ಜ district, was born in the year 1985 at Kannali village near Tirthalli, Shivamogga district. On completion of his MBBS from J.M. Medical College, Davangere, he appeared for UPSC examination in the year 2013 and bagged 32nd rank in IAS examination, which was a tremendous achievement indeed. Dr. Rajendra sir started his professional career as IAS professional in Bidar district in Karnataka during the year 2015. He also served sub-divisional magistrate at Puttur area in ದ.ಕ.ಜ district. Earlier in the year 2015-16, he was later transferred to Bellary district as Chief Executive Officer of Jilla Panchayat Bellary during 2016, where he served up to 2019. In 2020, he was posted at Belgavi district as the Chief Executive Officer of Belgavi Jilla Panchayat in the year 2020. He has transferred to ದ.ಕ.ಜ and as a Deputy Commissioner, and since then he is executing the role and responsibility of Deputy Commissioner ದ.ಕ.ಜ. He is a very dynamic and dignified officer with diligent professionalism, having a very good administrative and management skills and efficiency of person with enduring, which helps him to discharge his duties more efficiently with the utmost. He has handled the COVID-19 pandemic in district in a commendable manner. His outstanding contribution in all spaces of improvising the district has brought lauds all over. Dr. Rajendra sir is a very cooperative and supportive to our organization. He has been showing a keen interest in the development and progress of KOCL, as well as extended wholehearted assistance to the company whenever it needs to resolve any major issues. On this occasion, I would like to wish him a success in the professional career and all his future endeavors. On behalf of KOCL Limited, on behalf of all present here, and also on our own behalf, I extremely honored in welcoming our Deputy Commissioner of Kannada district. Today, we are greatly humbled by the presence of Dr. Rajendra K.V. IAS for his eminent presence at KOCL. I extend a genuine welcome to you, sir. I would request our Chairman, Commandant Sri Saminathan sir, to welcome our honorable guest with a flower. Thank you, sir. Our motivational, eminent and beloved Chairman and Commandant Sri Saminathan sir with us today. I am deeply honored in welcoming our leader who has joined with us celebrating this unique occasion. On my personal behalf and behalf of assembly here, it's my pleasure to heartily welcome you, sir. I request Chief General of the BFU Sri ದ.ಕ.ಜ sir to welcome our beloved Chairman Commandant Sri Saminathan sir, offering the flower. Our prudent and appointing Director of Production Projects, Sri K. Bhaskar sir, is here with us today. I am gratified to welcome you, sir. I request Chief General Manager Production, Sri H. Ramakrishna sir, to welcome Sri Bhaskar sir by offering a flower. And also I would like to welcome to Taluk Health Officer Dr. Sujay Bandari for grazing function. I request Salam sir to hand over a small flower to Dr. Sujay Bandari sir. Our Chief General Manager BFU Sri ದ.ಕ.ಜ sir and Chief General Manager Production Sri Ramakrishna sir and all GMs, HODs for this occasion. I am enamored to see an ocean of fraternity to be a part of this function. I want to welcome to all the department heads, senior officials, and officer association, and recruitment cases, and KMS Union, and WIPS, SS Association, all employees, Achar Commandant, CSF, and all personnel for this special occasion. Thank you, one and all.
Organization to protect human life. As a saying by the founder of Red Cross Society, Mr. Henry Donald, with humanity towards peace. The Red Cross Society at Dakshin Kannada district comes out with dynamic programs that will make far-reaching results in the society, conducting blood donation camps, health checkup programs, training people to face eventualities, the needs of common man are addressed with utmost vigor by this society. KIOCL is proud in being part of this human care. Valuing their services, our management has sanctioned rupees 15 lakhs for constructing a new building for the society at Mangalore under corporate social responsibility. My kind request our Chairman and Managing Director, G.T. Swaminathan sir, to hand over symbolically a check to the Deputy Manager of Ghata's District. The pandemic has made our life stand still for the past 2 years, and still the showers of the pandemic are penetrating here and there. But KIOCL has taken pride in completing the vaccination drive, and the district, taluk and health authorities have helped us in the form of Koolur Primary Health Center, who have painstakingly strived to get back our fraternity from the shadows of the pandemic. It is with sense of gratitude for this COVID warriors, KIOCL takes pride in symbolically handing over computers to the Taluk Health Officer and the Primary Health Center, Koolur, Madam Swati, Sister Swati, under CSR activities of the company. How we prepare for, respond to, and learn from the effects of major failures. Disaster Management Authorities at Dakshin Kannada is chaired by our respected Deputy Commissioner. This authority, under his chairmanship, ensures that the areas in the district vulnerable to disasters are identified and measures for the prevention of the disasters and mitigation of its effects are undertaken by all the departments and the local authorities. KIOCL has also implemented its disaster management plan, and to streamline the KIOCL disaster management plan, the district disaster management professional Shri Vijay Kumar sir has wholeheartedly supported us, and the full-fledged manual is here with us today. I kindly request our respected dignitaries on the dais, along with Vijay Kumar sir, to unveil the KIOCL disaster management plan. Shri Vijay Kumar sir, please come forward. Yes, sir is there, but you have helped us a lot, sir. You are the one behind the screen. Our Chairman and Managing Director to felicitate our respected DC sir.
Stay simple like that. ಇನ್ನು ಏನೇನಿದೆ ರೀ ಕೆಜಿ ಪೆಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. This is something actually we can keep it.
Pandemic and otherwise during the riots and any other problem arise at Dakshin Kannada district, our DC is in the forefront at any time of the day, at any hour of the day and night. We are extremely obliged for you having heeded to our request and being here with us today, sir. I would kindly request you to please speak a few words on this occasion.
First of all, please be seated. you don't understand that. Please.
Good afternoon to all of you. Very overwhelming response. I would have been here 2 years back getting to know about the ABCD of KFCL. After reading the encyclopedia of KFCL, we are learning the alphabets now after 2 years. I know in and out of KFCL, but some of the basic facts I wanted to know. How this company started, how it is being operated since 1976. I could able to go through models and I could able to interact with senior officials, got to know about the financial healthiness of the KFCL. First of all, I would like to congratulate Honorable Chairman CMD Mr. Swaminathan for being there with the district administration throughout our challenges, performance, everything. I would like to congratulate on behalf of district administration entire team to tide over through all the crises. Maybe local management, able administration of local general manager Mr. Rao and Mr. Reddy and the previous CMD and I think in charge he was Director of Finance Mr. Gorai. Everybody were so cordial. Maybe KFCL is like part of the district administration and we can see any sort of because in government there is always a last mile connectivity issues. Maybe some of the things the way we wanted to do those things will not be permissible in the government. During those times we always look up to PSUs like KFCL and MRPL for some sort of immediate responses. They are almost actually every now and then. I think the way Murugesh also maintained some good rapport with all the administrators here, things have become easy for us to approach the KFCL and seek help, and have responded very positively. I would like to place it on record, heartfelt gratitude on behalf of all the people, citizens of ದ.ಕ.ಜ. This is the reason actually, even after not being there in the office for last 4 or 5 days, this would be a very busy day for me. But anyhow, things were not matching between me and CMD in managing the parallel times. Anyhow, we could able to find today. Somehow we are meeting. Actually, I'm really glad to see so many senior officials here. One thing I just wanted to you have prepared a disaster management plan. Okay, one has to be thorough with these things. Preparing the plan on the paper, that won't be sufficient. Okay, unless otherwise if you implement it, this is an attitude. Management plan is an attitude. If you everybody has to be thorough with the roles and responsibility in the because I have seen a lot of crises here in the last 2 years. Maybe we would have planned something and the way it operates in the 11th hour or actual situation, things are bit chaotic. That should not happen here. Anyhow, it's not that major hazard phone or you don't deal with much of the chemical components. But still, it's a very, very good thing. Disaster management plan, very specific to KFCL, has come out. Whoever has participated in this thing, I would like to congratulate them also for putting up the best effort here. And more than that, actually KFCL being a partner in all sort of development and crisis management, it's good. It's taking care of its staff. I jokingly passed a comment, KFCL already is on a ventilator. Okay, maybe KFCL is on a ventilator to take care of all the staff. Okay, that the gratitude should be there from the staff and the senior official also to look after its company. The way the company is looking after the staff, I think it's always staff and the senior officials also, they have to contribute to the growth of the KFCL. I think I heard a lot of planning what they have made for the future to keep them in the race. The way they started with the Navratna, now they have become the Mini Ratna. Now I hope actually, and I wish all the very best for the management to take it back to Navratna status. Maybe in the future with the one captive mine there in the Ballari, definitely things might turn around. You can change the scenario. I wish all the very best to all the management and all the staff and all the senior personnel and their family. Hope they will come out of this financial crisis and they could able to survive and they will flourish in the future and they make net foreign exchange and they will make India also flourish. I wish you all the very best. And Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav also we have celebrated with a great fervor yesterday, and whatever that momentum you have created about the national safety aspect, national integrity aspects and the national contribution aspect, that should be continuing throughout the year. I expect all the fellow citizens to give back to the nation for its building and its, even if you don't give it back also, we should not spoil the coordination, and all of us, like I'm really glad to see even the CMD chairman and every single staff wearing the same uniform. That is something like very amazing, and this is something like a real democracy. Underneath Tiranga, everybody is like equal. Maybe some of them are like more than equal, but still first among the equals. But this is something very glad, okay, and gladdening and very heartening to see all these things. I wish KOCL very good things in the future. They will come out of the financial crisis. All the very best. Wish you good.
And the district administration under your guidance has supported us in each and everything whichever crisis we have gone through, and we expect the same support in future also, sir, from you. And we will try to extend our help whatever possible to the district authorities. Thank you very much, sir, once again.
Dr. Rajendra sir is here. We warmly welcome to KOCL family members. And today, as he said, in spite of past 2 years trying, we could be able to make it to visit our plant. We are really honored having come here. And one thing is that whenever we KOCL went to him, he was so kind enough to give us time and then taking care of our needs. And especially during the last year COVID time, I think the kind of help the district authorities and the welfare authorities extended, it was so commendable. And we are the first public sector to get the employees first vaccinated, and all the 3 doses now we have completed. We were thankful for that. I think not only for company employees, including our dependents, contractors, and CSO, everybody for that matter. And at the same way, we also reciprocated by giving some of the oxygen plants for the Bangalore, 2 of the districts, worth about 1 crore in the 2 hospitals. And we continue to extend our best efforts. And today we handed over some 50 plants. And this year we are also committed to give some that is kidney dialyzer worth about 50 lakhs, and we are going to give this item soon. So whatever best possible from our side, we will certainly do it. And with all the authority support and the team, our KOCL team, sir, we would like to place it on record. Last year we have done extremely good. 3,080 crores, highest ever turnover, and 411 crores profit PBT we made, and 313 crores PAT we have made. This is the history after closure of Kudramukh mine, which is all possible with the every stakeholders of the company, including employees, our team members. And this year, of course, because of export duty, we are a little bit suffering in front of both physical and financial performance. But we are sure in the days to come, definitely we will be able to make up. And with all your support, we will come back to our normal operation, and then we will achieve the similar to the top last year.